what is up? I'm in Myrtos and this is Myrtos beach. We have some sea grass collected in this area, but the rest of the beach is completely fine. So if you were staying in Erapetra or if you were staying in Crete and you are looking for a remote village with a very beautiful beach, then this could be also a good option. I have flown the drone to capture this whole area, the beach, the village itself in the sunrise time, and to give you a better perspective, to give you an overview how it looks. And also I should mention that the sun rises right from the sea, so if you are staying here you are gonna experience some of the most beautiful sunrises. And if you are trying to catch the sunrise, and then if you are trying to catch sunsets, then Matala, Agia Galini, Komos, and that side of the island could be really a good option. I will enjoy my walk on the beach and you enjoy some beautiful drone footage of Myrtos.